Moving into a new place and your kitchen practically has nothing but a fridge and a stove, you don't need to pay a fortune to get the essential items that you actually need for a functioning food-making kitchen. Let me show you. In addition to plates, bowls, cups, and silverware, one of the main things to have for your kitchen is a good set of knives. You can easily pick up a full knife set or get some of the most important knives, such as the chef's knife, which is used for mincing and chopping all sorts of things from vegetables to meat, and the paring knife, which is great for coring, trimming the skin off of fruits and vegetables, things like that. And additionally, not shown here, but another good one would be a serrated bread knife. Number 2, a 2.5 quart non-stick pot with a lid is fantastic to have because you can do everything from rice and pasta in it to reheating canned foods or leftovers and steaming vegetables. Before we continue on with number 3, just wanted to let you know that down in the description I'll place links for all the items I'm mentioning where you can just click on them and check them out. Now onto the Dutch oven, which is perfect for the cooktop and in the oven for things like meat dishes and stews, large batches of soup, and other dishes. Number 4, a frying pan or skillet, as it is also known, can be great for frying, searing, and browning food. Also can be used for stir fry and even making pancakes. The 5th kitchen essential is a baking sheet, and you can see mine has been well loved. You can use it to do everything from make cookies to heat up frozen cheese sticks. Good old number 6 is a rectangular cake pan. Not only can it do cakes and brownies, but other things you might not think about, like taco shell heating up. Because of their awkward shape on a flat pan, they might tend to roll off of it in the oven, but with the sides on a cake pan, you can keep things contained. Number 7, a casserole dish. It's great for baking lasagna, chicken spaghetti, vegetable side dishes with sauces, cobblers, and even cornbread. In at number 8 is a cooking spoon set. That includes a regular spoon, a slotted spoon, and the spaghetti server and soup ladle that you see here. Number 9, spatulas come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and depending on which one you're using can be great for everything from flipping burgers, gently turning fish, to spreading frosting, and even scraping bowls clean. In at number 10 is a set of measuring cups and measuring spoons, because there are definitely some ingredients you don't want to guess at the amount on. Number 11, a manual can opener is a great thing to have on hand, even if you decide to get an electric one as well. Number 12 is a digital meat thermometer, in this case held up by a clip chip. The thermometer lets you make sure that you've cooked things to the right temperature for safety. Number 13, a peeler is great for taking the skin off of vegetables and fruits, such as potatoes, carrots, and peaches. Pouring in at number 14 is a colander, which is great for separating liquid from your food, such as when you're cooking spaghetti or draining canned goods such as beans and vegetables. Number 15 is an oven mitt, which is not only great for handling hot pans out of the oven, but glasses that have hot liquids in them as well. Other kitchen tools to consider include an electric hand mixer and mixing bowl, some glass storage containers, a pair of kitchen shears, a pizza cutter, a cheese grater, a vegetable chopper, a fruit juicer, a steamer basket. These are some great other kitchen tools to add to the kitchen essentials that I showed you earlier. Before you go, hop on over and check out some of my other life tips videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.